So today we're going to talk about how we're going to replace the top part of our sleep number bed if you have a box top with a double zipper. And how you can tell that is you have your first zipper here, which holds the contents of your air chambers and your foam rails, etc. Then you have this indentation here, another piping here, and then this fabric comes straight up, and your zipper, which holds your foam fill, is here. So since we're only replacing the top, we're only going to concentrate on removing this top zipper. Okay, and we're going to that's the way to remove your zipper. There's another way where you can simply fold this up and return it to us. Okay, so the first step is to unzip your cover. And the easiest thing to do, if you don't want to mess around, you just simply fold your cover up in thirds, and this is get it into as small box as you can to save on shipping. And if you want to save on that shipping cost, and this is what most people do, is they simply send the top half of their zipper in. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first step is to mark all four corners on your ribbon on your zipper. And I just need to get a felt tip pen and find the center best you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And just put a dot on your ribbon on all four corners. Okay, once you have your four corners marked, what we need to do is we need to find out where the piping ends, which is right here. You see the end, you find out where that ends, usually at the head of the bed. Okay? So, you have to start by just simply cutting some threads. You got to get it loose. Once you get it loose, it'll come apart fairly easy. So once you break the chain, it should just start coming apart all the way around. If you have to, there'll be a bottom thread there you can pull as well. Sometimes if it gets stuck, you just tap it with the other one together, and that'll keep loosening it. All the way around you go. Okay? And what you're doing is this: you're just removing the zipper right from the top. It should come right off. So once you remove the zipper, We're not going to reuse this piping. You're just going to throw that away. We're going to put, that's going to be new when it comes back to you. You'll have all your corners marked on your zipper. And simply fold it up as tight as you can. You can see one of the markings I have. And you can put that in a real small envelope and save on the shipping. And you send that to me, I will sew a brand new quilted top on this. When you get it home, it'll perfectly align because you have your corners marked. And you simply zip it right back on your bed. In the meantime, you can use your old quilted top. Just put it right back on your bed. It might be loose, but you can sleep on it until I send you back the new one. And the shipping is included in the price of your return shipping. And then also another thing you can do, you can look on our website. We do sell the replacement foams for the fill. If you want to freshen up that part of your bed as well.